This is one the best way to make passive income online. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make passive income online. No scams, no fakes, without secrets. So let's go. First, what is passive income? Basically, passive income is make money when you're sleeping, or you go to vacation, or you enjoy your freedom, your time with your family or your friends, or to do that you like. Okay, so how does it work? There are many ways, but my favorite is online business. Why? Because nowadays anyone can start an online business from home with very few resources. To start, you can copy my entire sales funnel only in one click. Link in description of this video. Once you copy it, you can start selling digital products online automatically. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to start, because you will receive training on how to do it. So now you know. Copy my entire sales funnel and start your online business right now. Link in description on this video. Copy in one click. So that's all in this video. I hope that you like it, and see you the next video. Goodbye.